beautiful people, welcome to Chiquito 1010 channel, a channel where we impact positive knowledge always. Today we're going to learn how to convert our PDF data to Excel. Stay tuned. I would love to convert this PDF titled How to Remove Surname from Full Name. Let me open it so that you can see it clearly. I would like to convert the data to Excel. Can you see the data? So let's make the conversion. Firstly, you open your Excel file. Endeavor that you have downloaded your PDF file. That is the data you want to transfer from your PDF to your Excel. Endeavor that you have downloaded it. I have mine in my download. So to get it from your Excel, go to Get Data. Click on From File. Then click on From PDF. Mine is in my download, and this is the PDF data that I want to transfer into my Excel. Click on it and click Import. This option will pop out. If you have several tables in the PDF, it will signify here. At the moment, I have only one table. That is why it is showing me table 001 in page 1. I have only a page and I have only one table. If you have the mirrors table and you want them to be imported, you can just click on them. You can click, there's this place. Can you see this place? Select multiple items. Click on select multiple items and click on all the tables that you want to be inserted. So because I have just one, I'll just click this table 001. This is the table that I have in my Excel. Then you click on transform data. Transform data. On this column 3, age, I have numbers there. Age numbers, which I can also see in the sex option, but don't worry, we'll correct that in our Excel. So click on transform data. It has appeared on our Excel. Close this, we don't need it. So if you noticed, under the column 4 here, we have sex, and our age numbers are also inserted in under the column D, which is the sex column. So highlight it and split the column. How do you split the column? Go to your data and click text to column. Click on delimiter. You can click on what you want. I want it to be separated by space and tab. So click on next. Finish. See the sample here. Then you click finish. Can you see that? we've imported our data, but we have minor changes to do. As you can see on column C here, our age, we don't have anything there. The sex column, we have our ages there instead of having it on column E. So you can make that correction by double clicking in the cell to have our age. Put your age, put the sex here. We don't need this. You can delete. Remember, we don't have any formula, so you can delete and it will not obstruct your data. Delete it. Go to home, or you double click. Go to home and delete. Okay, can you see that? I also noticed column 1, column 2, column 4, we don't have it in our PDF, so we can delete all this. How do we do that? You can click on it and write. So you just highlight the first name and middle name, cut it off, place it here. Yeah. Do the same. Double click in the cell, then you write what you want to be there and delete this one. There's some Excel that it will just appear without having this column 1 to 4 and all that. But if yours have it just like mine, do this on it. Sex. Then this column, this row 2, we don't need it anymore, so we can delete it. Can you see that? Then we can highlight this and make it yellow. Make our letters, how it will be written, darker, so that it will pop up very well. Yeah. The filters, we don't have it on our PDF, so let's remove the filters. How do we remove the filters? You also click on the range, you can click on the range or on the row there, go to data, and this is filter. That's how to remove it. Then to remove this table, if you want to have the table there, fine. If you don't need it, you can go to table design. There are other designs that you can choose. I want mine to be blank, just have the yellow stuff there, so I'm clicking this one. This is how I want mine to be. So can you see that we've converted our data from PDF to Excel? The numbers there, I always like my numbers to be at the right hand side so that it won't merge with the letters when you are looking at it. So how do you do that? You highlight alignment to the left alignment. Can you see that? So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, don't hesitate to click like, share and subscribe if you've not. Thank you.